Okay.
Today I am here in one of the most remote villages and most isolated village I can say. I am in Murab village, which fall under the constituency of Amre, and also it is under 112 Legislative Assembly, Amri Legislative Assembly. So I'm very sad to be here. And then I was informed by one of my friend called Everest, and one is Stan Joseph, no? Joseph. He's a local resident out here. So visiting here, I found very isolated. Khasis are here for many years, and then more than approximately 100 plus houses, 150 houses are here. Without roads, without basic school, without electricity, without water, without any without totally zero health facilities. And then they are also totally deprived from the government scheme called Oronodoy, IY housing, ration card, job card, and old age pension, and also the facilities that they provide from the ICDS for the children are totally cut off. They only have with them, they have only one thing with them is only their EPIC card. And they are enrolled in the voter list is the only documents and also only the facilities that they got from the government. They just elect their representative. They just cast their vote for the those people, representative, expecting for the good governance, expecting for the development in their village, expecting for the government facilities in their village. But for the past 15 years, the BJP ruled government, nothing could provide to them, and they have to face very bad situation out here. Apart from all those, one of the worst thing that they have to face in last year is that more than 46 children under the age of 6 years were died because of malaria and typhoid. Malaria and typhoid is now not a disease which is uncurable. It is very accessible now. We have hospital now. We have many medicines, advanced medicines that we could cure typhoid and malaria. But this village called this one Murab, they have to face such a circumstance in the past year. So even this year during the monsoon, they have been they have been thinking of facing all those situation, and in the part of this health sector, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and also the state government, they are totally failure on this note. Mr. Dr. Habe, who was the medical storekeeper in church as a BJP candidate this time from Amri Legislative Assembly. He should, if he should have prioritized all this area, those 46 children from this village would have been a citizen for tomorrow. But he could not save all those children because of his ignorance to visit this village, ignorance to give medical facilities in this village. So this is the present situation, and the government by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has totally ignored them. They were kept in such a way that they are kept in a zoo, or they are kept in a such type that the Jurwat tribe, which has been kept in the island in the Sri Lanka area, the same situation was kept for the Khasis brothers and sisters in this Murab village. So I'm very sad, I'm very condemning to those government for their ignorance and negligence to our tribes people. Thank you.